Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this AV Dome 4K dual dash cam. It's a built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi GPS system device, and it comes with a 64 GB micro SD card. We have a front 4K and a rear 1080p car dashboard camera recorder with 3.19 inches IPS display, night vision, capacitor, parking mode, and it's the M550 Pro with 2 channels. That means we can have rear view and front view. This is the upgraded driving experience with a dual channel dashcam that records Ultra HD 4K and Full HD 1080p videos at front 3840 to 2160p and the rear to 1920 to 1080p with a 8629G processor and the best in class SC401 AI ultra low light capture sensor. That's for the night vision thing. We will be able to capture crisp and clear footage even in low light conditions. Plus, the ultra wide angle lens allows for a 150 degrees field of view, covering 4 lanes and capture distorting free images. We have here the dash cam is built to withstand extreme weather conditions from -4 degrees Fahrenheit, these are -20 degrees Celsius, up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, these are 70 degrees Celsius. This making it perfect for exploring any destination. Plus, with the super capacitor, we will get a longer lifespan compared to lithium battery dash cams on the market. And with this built-in GPS tracking, we can accurately record our driving trajectory and speed, while the built-in 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi function and the free AV Dome app, that is, if you like it to search in the App Store or Google Play Store, to AZ or that DOME AV Dome app. This allows us to view in real-time videos on our iPhone or Android device while on the ride. We can also view and share records, videos with friends and family in just a few clicks. And the 24-hour parking monitor only works on external power source, of course. And if someone hits our car and an impact reaches the G-sensor level, the camera will turn on and record a 20-second video. Then it's log and save it. We make sure to connect our dash cam to an external power source. That means 3-lead hardware kit. Output current can reach 5 volt 2.5 ampere, which is not included because this is an extra thing, but it's a cheaper additional part of it. And then you can make the 24-hour capturing videos around your car. They have included a dedicated 64 GB SD card for each M550 Pro car dash cam. And it's an easy installation because it is attached to your front shield while using a Gale pad easily. And at the rear side you can then attach it with a Gale pad too. And after this, let it rest for a while because the Gale has to work a little bit, and then you can attach the front camera in position. You can rotate it up and down, you can tilt it a little bit, and after this attach or hidden the cable behind the cover of your car interior. For better covering, there are included thumb clips for it and a tool to remove the cover system interior. And then it's easy. You can connect it to a power source, of course, or you connect it to your car internal lightning plug. And then you have a dual 4K and a 1080p recording if you like, with a 150 degrees lens, super night vision and super capacitor. Super capacitor means that there is not a built-in battery. It is a capacitor. If you switch on the ignition, the dash cam will be on too and make video and so on. If you switch off your car and there's no power supply anymore because of the lightning source, the dash cam will automatically switch down, and that's good because it does not need energy. If you like to have this external, you have to buy these additional parts. We have dual camera, night vision, but it's not night vision with the LED support because it's behind in glass. That's not possible. The night vision is that it will show you a good image at night. We have a built-in 5G Wi-Fi network. That means the camera is a router. It will make an own Wi-Fi network where you can pair with your smartphone, for example, to it. Then enter a passcode 12348. After this, you start the app, and then you can, for example, look on your screen the rear camera while you're driving, for example. And on the screen of the camera system itself, you can see the front side, for example, or you can switch between them, and you can control it and edit it a little bit. And we have a built-in GPS. That means you can see how fast you drive, for example. And the super capacitor makes that everything works fine. We have parking monitor, G-sensor, and loop recording. Loop recording means if the micro SD card is full, the oldest videos will be deleted and replaced with a new one. So you have every time the fresh recording for you. We have an easy removal and angle adjustment of the device. If we want to change the camera settings, we can simply take it off the host by sliding the bracket so that we can still supply power to the host through the mini USB charging port. It comes with a magnetic bracket function and an adjustable thing with built-in GPS. And it comes with, for example, a screen saver to minimize distraction for the driver. We can activate the screensaver function. This feature will turn off the screen after 1 or 3 or 5 minutes of inactivity while still recording the driving. Only the green lights on both sides of the camera will flash to indicate that recording is still in progress. We can see on the screen of this device the front and the rear. We can only see the front or the rear as we like. We can choose between the buttons to look what our favorite view is. And we have collision detection and 1 frames time-lapse parking mode if we like. 24 hours parking monitor. Once the car turns off, the camera will automatically enter into the time-lapse 1 frame per second collision detection parking mode when the hardwired correction correctly is attached. This is an additional tool or additional cable which you have to use to enter this to your battery system, to your starter battery. We have a Class 10 U3A2 speed SD card, which is required. The maximum support is up to 256 gigabyte, and you can use them as you like, or you use the camera which is included. And we have AZ Dome 3-lead hardwire kit. This is required to use parking monitor. It's not included in the package because this is a special thing, and this you have to buy separately. We have the M55 O Pro 2-channel front and rear system here. The front camera resolution is a 4K camera system with 3840 to 2160 pixels. The front and the rear camera resolution is 4K and the rear is 1080p. Both is okay. Then we have a built-in microphone, so you can make an audio recording too. And we have a 3.19 inches IPS screen and the possibility to use the app to use your own screen on your smartphone, for example. We have a storage of 64 GB TF card included, but we can more. The maximum external storage is 256 GB. The battery is a built-in supercapacitor, and Wi-Fi, app control, GPS, track driving the route and the speed, loop recording, and if we like, park monitoring. AZDome is a well-established manufacturer who focuses on automobile security and dash cams. With 12 years of innovation and design, the AZDome remains competitive in the car electronics industry as a professional all over the world. In the future, they will continue to explore the boundaries of tech to open up a broader vision for us and driving too. This here is the AZDome 4K Dual Dash Cam. It's built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi GPS and a free 64 GB card included, front 4K and rear 1080p car dashboard camera recording system with a 3.19 inches IPS and a good night vision, and it works with a capacitor. If you like parking mode, it's the AM550 Pro 2-channel device dash cam.
So now you can hear the dash cam sound system. The dash cam sound system is okay, I think. It makes a good quality operated video, front and rear version. It is good at night, as you can see, and it is good at daytime. And if you have an accident, it will help you to bring a solution of this conflict, if there is a conflict. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.